Good morning, friends. As promised, now I'm going to discuss different kinds of distributions, and this particular sheet that you are able to see on the screen, the image that is being flashed out, you will find on one side I have distributions, on the other side I'm looking for the functions. Now, these functions are exclusively for the R. If you start using these kind of a distributions to understand your own data, then these are the functions. So however, I'm not going to touch upon these functions as of now. I'm going to showcase and I only list out the varieties of distributions we have got. So beta is one kind of a distribution, binomial, Cauchy, chi-square, exponential. F is also a distribution, gamma, geometric, hypergeometric, logistic, log normal, negative binomial, normal, Poisson, student T, that is a t-test, studentized range, uniform, Weibull, Wilcoxon rank sum statistic, and Wilcoxon signed rank statistic. So apart from this, I have already shared with you that yes, there are other kind of distributions like normal distribution, exponential, Bernoulli, binomial, Poisson, Legge, and I'll show you more as I keep going ahead in the playlist also. So this is something that we all have to understand. And secondly, when we are talking about distributions, now what made me interest to start off with this particular playlist is that what are those four functions of distributions? Fine, we know that these are the distributions. However, let's proceed further. Why we just have to understand only the bell curve or the non-bell curves? Okay, now let's go ahead and try to understand what are those four functions for these distributions also. Now here, this particular thing which I have kept it in the bracket is to show that yes, there is something called as d norm, that is for the normal distribution, and this is going to be a density function. So rather than talking about some things which are not in the bold, I'm going to just read out something which is there in the bold letters over here. So you can see density function, cumulative density function, which is also called as CDF, quantile function, and random sampling. So here you will see that this is how you have got the names for the different four functions that I'm talking about for the functions of the distributions. What are they? So you have got D function, P function, Q function, and R function. Now when I saw these graphs, and I was again disturbed to see these words because I never knew about them. When I learned, I said, oh God, yes, one should. Why we are just going ahead and talking about only normal distribution or Bernoulli's or Poisson? Let's understand that yes, these functions are also there. So for example, if I'm talking about normal distribution, there is something called as d norm, which is density function. Now we will understand what do we mean by density function, cumulative density function, quantile functions, and random samplings also. So the abbreviated form is d norm if it is a normal distribution. If it is a binomial distribution, it would be something else, and we will see what those things are. So we have d norm for density function, P norm for cumulative density function, Q norm for quantile function, R norm for random sampling also are present, and these are exclusively whenever you see the word norm, it means it is for the normal distribution. Similarly, the probability distributions here, though the heading I have given is in R, however this goes same for Python also. So you will see when I'll be showcasing the distributions using R programming language in R studios or Python in Colab or Jupyter, you will be finding it out that yes, these are the four functions that are present. So first let's start off with normal Gaussian distributions. The root name is norm out here. We don't use Gaussian kind of a thing. However, you should understand whenever there is this word, the root, which is the norm, it stands for the normal distributions, and it is equivalent for the Gaussian distribution also. So as such, I have already defined it that yes, we have got P norm, Q norm, D norm, and R norm. So let us understand the varieties of distributions which I have already showcased to you, that yes, these are the ones that we have got. So I'm going to stop here, and let me come back with yet another presentation of mine exclusively for the distribution, which I'll be showcasing it either in our studios or in Python using the Colab atmosphere. Till then, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.